Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel. Hi hello viewers, welcome to JP Infotech. In this video, we are going to see about the installation of MySQL software. I have given the download link in the description. You can just click and download the software from the link. So once after downloading, you can see this RAR file. So I'm going to extract. First you want to extract it. So I'm going to extract it by clicking right click and extract here. So once after extraction, you can see these files in it. So first of all, install setup file initially. Also kindly note that if you have already installed WAM software, that is PHP MyAdmin in your system, then you cannot install this MySQL because it takes the port number. So if you are a beginner, so kindly do not uninstall the earlier installed MySQL software and you can install. So and also kindly check this video without skipping, because if you missed one step, there will be some problem in it. So first of all, click next. So here you can click typical and then click install. So now you wanted to click skip sign up option. So this is the last option. So in this option, for you don't create any account or login. So just click this skip sign up option and click and then click next button. So now click finish option. So in this you click the detailed configuration and click next. So first option developer machine and then click next. Now again for the first option, then click next. So basically you take C as the installation path, click next, and this remains the same and click next. So as initially I said the port number, right, 3306, this is the port number taken by MySQL. So just leave these options and just click next. Here again click next. So here again leave it, these options again same, and just click next. So in this option you click here, enter the password as root or OOT. Again all are small letter or OOT. So just enter the password as root. So this is what I entered here, root, because all our projects we have created using this password only. So you can create this and then click next. So here you click execute. So now the installation is completed and then click finish. Now after we have completed this setup installation, now go to MySQL GUI tools. Here you can click simply next, accept the license agreement and click next. Here click select complete option default as the next and then install it. Now it is finished and click finish. Now we have completed these two, and now I'm going to install this one, MySQL query browser. Click next. Here also select the license. I accept the terms in the license agreement and then click next. Click next. Here also the complete option, click next. install. Finish. Now the installation is completed. Now I will show you how to attach a database. So for example, I will take a sample database initially, and I will show you how to attach it. First thing is like you go to MySQL administrator, right? So this is the MySQL administrator. When you are installed first time, so it will be like this. So you leave the stored connection as empty. Now you go to click remote host and select L, so it will come localhost. So just leave it and don't change this port number 3306. Now username, type it as root. The password is also root as we installed in the installation, and then click OK. So now MySQL administrator is opened. So if you want to attach a database, just click the restore button which is in the left side panel, and now click open backup file. So just click any database. For example, this is a database file of a project. So just click the database and click open. Now you can see this start restore button has been activated. Now click this start restore. So now you can see this database is attached. So the restoration operation finished completely successfully. Okay, then click close and close. Now if you want to view that database, so just go to again this MySQL. Now you wanted to click MySQL query browser. Okay, so here also the same thing. So for the first time you can see the server host as, now you want to type localhost and the same port number, the username as root. Now password as root, and now you click OK. So now here you can see the database. For example, now I have attached a database. So thus the database which you attached will be displayed here. So if you want to view that one, you can just, what are the tables available in it, just click this arrow mark. You can see what all the tables available. If you wanted to view that one, just click it and drag here. So you can see what all the tables available here. Just click it and drag the other table. So you can see what are the tables available in it. So just click this table and drag it here. So in this way, this MySQL query browser, you can easily view the database and the tables in it. I hope this video will be useful for you, and for this type of videos, kindly subscribe to JP Infotech channel and share to your needed friends. Thank you very much.